The third offer was sell it yourself for sale by owner checklist. If they want to sell it themselves, we use this form. And we give them what they want right here. Here's the date and the kiss goodnight right here. You're not exclusive. Market yourself. Use other agents. It's a whole different mindset if you guys think about how you normally would do business, right? And how most agents are doing business. Most agents are doing business saying, can I list your home? Calling expire. Hey, this is Anthony Thornton from EXP. I see your home didn't sell. Are you interviewing agents? That's what they're saying. But we're coming out saying, hey, this is Anthony Thornton from EXP Realty. I noticed you had a beautiful home on the market. Did you get it sold? All right, well, I got a program that gives you 3 options. Number 1, you can get a cash offer. Number 2, I guarantee 100% of market price, so you don't have to pay me anything. Number 3, you could sell it yourself. And I'll teach you step by step how to do it. I have a for sale by owner checklist. Which one is most interesting to you? Don't matter to me, because I'm showing you guys worst case scenario right here. Worst case scenario, I'm going to still make a boatload of cash right here. And I'm extremely good at, well, Anthony, I'm not going to pay you any commission. I'm pissed off at my last real estate agent. I understand that. But if we had to take the emotions out and I really want to help you, what would be a commission that's fair for you, that's fair for me to get the home sold? Well, I have to walk away with, okay. If I guarantee you walk away with $200,000 cash after selling your home, everything above that, can it be for me? Pay my commission? Yes. Okay, let's just put it in writing. You can take people's pain and make it pleasurable for you and your family. That's why you don't have to have any emotions about it. Because no matter even if they tell you 0 commission, you're still getting paid, y'all. Do you understand that? Even if you run into the most worst customer, high D that's super mad, and they say, I'm not going to pay you 1 dime, you're still going to make a boatload of cash. Let me move on. I want to be the dead horse. All right. So this is it. All right. Some of you guys are not on my team. You got to create your stuff yourself.